Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master and Agile Coach. Today I'll share yet another liberating structure that I really like a lot. If you like these videos, please subscribe and share. That would be awesome. This liberating structure I'm going to share has some similarities at least to the chaos cocktail party I showed in a previous video. There are some key differences, but let's dive into this. So the idea here is to have everybody in the room figure out something that we can improve upon. And this exercise is called crowdsourcing, or 25-10 crowdsourcing. The idea is quite simple. Ask the following question. If you were 10 times bolder, what big idea would you recommend? Then have people write individually one idea on an index card. You can also give them some time to think depending on the group that you're facilitating for, but then have them write on an index card their idea. And now the really fun part starts. Then these cards need to be distributed around in the crowd. So what we do is we just walk around, and when we meet somebody, we exchange cards, we read the idea, and then we pass it on to another one. And we do that for 3 minutes, and then we have a bell or something else that make a sound. What we do now is look at the card which we have, rate it from 1 to 5. 1 is lowest, 5 is highest, and write that rating on the back side of the card. And then when everybody has finished writing their number, we do it again. So we pass on the cards, and next time the bell rings, the card you have, turn it around, write a number between 1 and 5, and then we continue to do so until we have had 5 rounds, for instance. Then, when we're finished with the rounds, you can also do more rounds. When we're finished with the rounds, the card you have, turn it around, sum up the scores, and then sort it. So the card with the highest score gets the top, and then so on. So the second highest scoring card, third highest, and so on. And now we have a prioritized list of what people anonymously think would be a great idea to try out. And we can then take that idea and use 50% solutions or something else to generate ways of actually doing this. And it's, to be honest, super awesome. We can also have some debriefing, asking, so what did you notice on the cards that you read? Are there anything in common that we should also address? Or what can we do to make sure that we actually get some learnings out, and so on and so forth. So that's a really quick introduction to this crowdsourcing idea that it's awesome, to be honest. So just try it out. I can really recommend it. I'll of course post links to the description of this at the Liberating Structures website. And besides from that, I don't think there's much more for me to say. That I really look forward to hear how you have used this or are going to use it. And then, as always, comments, questions, ideas, feedback are more than welcome. Have a nice day.